In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the summation of hatch areas in AutoCAD. Whether you're managing complex designs or overseeing a simple drawing, efficiently calculating hatch areas can be a tremendous time saver. Let's jump right into it and simplify this process. First, you'll want to select all the hatches that you intend to measure. This might sound like a daunting task if you have numerous hatches scattered across your drawing, but fret not. AutoCAD offers a handy feature to make this easier. All you have to do is select one of the hatches. With it selected, right-click and choose the option Select Similar from the context menu. This command will instantly select all hatches that share similar properties, like layer and type, in your current view. It's a simple yet powerful trick to ensure you encompass everything you need without manually clicking each hatch one by one. Once you have all your desired hatches selected, the next step is to dive into the properties to find the information we need. Again, right-click to bring up the context menu. From here, you'll want to select Properties to open up the Properties panel. This panel is your go-to resource for detailed information about your selected objects. Now, with the Properties panel open, take a moment to scroll through the list. Your goal here is to locate the cumulative area property. The cumulative area is essentially the total area occupied by all the hatches you have selected. When you find it, you'll see a numerical value right next to it. This value represents the summation of the areas of all selected hatches measured in the units of your drawing. And there you have it. That value is the total area covered by the hatches you've selected. It's an efficient way to quickly get the data you need, especially when managing a large number of hatches. Remember, accurately calculating hatch areas helps maintain precise measurements crucial to any design project. It can assist in determining material quantities, calculating costs, or simply providing a clearer overview of your design. Also, take advantage of shortcuts and commands like Select Similar to work smarter, not harder. If this is something you find yourself doing often, consider customizing your setup to make these tools more accessible. With practice, these steps will become second nature, reducing the time you spend calculating areas manually and making your workflow smoother. And that's all for calculating the summation of hatch areas in AutoCAD. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident tackling similar tasks in your projects. Keep experimenting and exploring new features within AutoCAD to enhance your skills. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the